Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and back cover on the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For removing the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. There are 3 different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens rings or camera lens with the frame or complete back cover with the camera lens installed. Take out the back cover and then apply heat on the camera lens glasses. For this, we are using a heat gun. And then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the required lens. If you are replacing only rings, you can follow the same steps for the other rings too. Next, place a new camera lens glass ring with adhesive. Next, if needed, can take out the lens with the frame. First, apply heat on the lens area from the rear side of the back cover. Next, slightly apply pressure from the front side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, secure the new camera lens with the frame in the back cover by applying adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A32 5G mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.